this video I'm going to show you exactly how much does YouTube pay for 1000 views, and I'm going to give you 3 ways how you can increase your income, and then also 2 bonus ways how you can increase your income on YouTube. If you like this video, remember to smash up the like button and also subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell if you want to learn to make a life-changing income online. I listed for you here different criteria that affects in your income, and the first one is location, and with this one I mean the location of your viewers, not your own location. So if your viewers are from the United States, you will earn more. If they are from third world countries like Philippines or Nigeria or Ghana or these kind of things, then you will earn less. And let me show you some example. So here you can see, for example, this link posting guide video that I have on my channel. It has around 3,200 views, and I have already earned our estimated $180. So approximately $60 for 1000 views, which is quite a lot. And you couldn't earn this kind of income if you would be creating videos for people who are living in the third world countries. Let me show you an example. Here you can see my Plan Pro Matrix video. It has more than 47,000 views. So if you compare to this one, it has 5 times more views, actually 15 times more views, but the revenue is much lower. So it's $80 only for 47,000 views. And here you can see that there were only 3,000 views and $180. And here you can see the reason. So when I click here audience on this video, most viewers are from the United States. On the other hand, on this video, the most viewers are from the Philippines. So this really illustrates you the difference, how huge the difference can be in different countries. If your viewers are from the US, you may earn even up to $50 for 1000 views. However, I would say that that is not typical. Typical would be, let's say, $5 for 1000 views. From the Philippines, Nigeria, these kind of countries, it's maybe sometimes only 20 cents per 1000 views or something like that. The second criteria is that how many ads do you add there. And usually you can add one ad in the beginning, and then if your video is longer than 10 minutes, you can add several ads. So 2 or 3 ads, for example. I usually add 1 ad every 4 minutes. So for example, if my video is 12 minutes long, I add 1 at the beginning, of course, then after 4 minutes, and then after 8 minutes. And one very important thing that people often don't think about when they create YouTube videos, that this can also affect in your ad revenue, is that what kind of content do you create? What kind of needs are you working in? So let me give you an example. Here I've written that business related videos, they pay 5 times more than video blogs in my own experience. So let me show you. On my channel I do a lot of business reviews, so affiliate marketing guides, or I had also created some cryptocurrency reviews and educational videos, and those usually pay like $5 to $6 for 1000 views. But then video blogs, let me show you one example. Here I have my first video blog. Actually it got around 1200 views and it only paid around $1.4. And this is pretty typical. I have uploaded many video blogs, and I've noticed that often it's very typical, like $1 for 1000 views. Now you can probably quickly calculate that if you want to make a living with YouTube ads, you would need to have millions and millions and millions of views. So for most people it's not so easy, and that's why I have listed for you 3 ways how you can increase your income by doing other things in addition to YouTube ads. Because for example, myself, I see YouTube ads as a little extra, small extra that you get for your videos. It's not your main income or income source, it's some extra that you get. But the main income that you can earn is by doing one of these 3 things that I will show you. So first of all is doing sponsored videos. Sponsored videos means that somebody, let's say some company, pays you, for example, $100 for creating a video about the product on your YouTube channel. If you have a big YouTube channel, they may pay even $1,000, or if you have a huge channel, they may pay even $10,000 for showing their product in your video. So sponsored videos usually pay much more than YouTube ads itself. The second option that I highly recommend for you is affiliate marketing. I'm going to explain you in a moment how you can get started. I've also left you a link in the description where you can get started immediately. But with affiliate marketing, in short, in a nutshell, you can leave a link into your description or your comments. In a moment I will explain how affiliate marketing works and how you can make more money by doing it in your YouTube channel. The third way is of course selling your own product. So you need to create a product and sell it to other people. The challenge with this is for beginners that you most likely don't have your own products, or let's say it will take so much time to create the product and arrange support and everything. So it may be a little bit challenging. So I would say that if you are starting out, affiliate marketing is the fastest way to grow your income with a YouTube channel. And I want to mention that by using these strategies, you can really skyrocket your income, because I have met people who have a YouTube channel with only 1,000 subscribers, and they may make much more money with that small YouTube channel than those who are 100,000 subscribers. So it's really how you use your audience, how you use your channel, that defines how much money you will make with your channel. So let me give you some examples. So for example, on my channel, I promoted my email marketing course, and even though I wouldn't get much views, if I get even one sale, you can see it's already $400 for one sale. So the potential is much higher. If I would want to earn $400 with YouTube ads, it would require probably tens of thousands of views, a lot of views. The second way is affiliate marketing. So let me now show you how you can get started. Here on my YouTube channel, I have published a video called 12 highest paying affiliate programs with recurring commissions up to $10,000 per sale. And here I explain 12 different opportunities how you can make money with affiliate marketing. In a nutshell, the process works like this. You sign up to an affiliate program, you get their affiliate link, then you create a video, and then you leave that link in the description. That's how simple it is. And basically almost every big company in the world has an affiliate program. The most popular affiliate program is Amazon. So usually when you go on YouTube and search for videos, for example, headphone reviews, or let's say laptop reviews or smartphone reviews, whatever, you always see that those people leave their link in the description, and it's usually on Amazon. So when somebody clicks that link and goes to Amazon, the person who created that video, he will earn a commission. And let's say if he gets, for example, 10,000 views, and let's say if 1% of them, so 100 of them goes and buys something, and let's say he earns, let's say $50 per commission for one sale, he earns $5,000. Of course, that's just an example. You can play with the numbers by yourself, but you get the idea. With affiliate marketing, the earning potential is much higher. And you can do the both at the same time. You can earn money from YouTube ads, and you can also do affiliate marketing. And my recommendation for you is always that do not just rely on YouTube ads, because it's not going to pay you so much. As I showed you, as I explained you, YouTube ads pays you some money, but if you want to make a living, you would need to have millions and millions and millions of views. A much easier way is to monetize your videos by using affiliate marketing, or if you already have your own products, then promote your own products. If you enjoyed this video and found it valuable, remember to smash the like button and remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel below, so you will never miss out any new video and you will learn other ways to make money online. Thank you very much for watching, and we will see you in the next one. Have a wonderful and a successful day.